my point exactly. This engine looks horrible right now. I need to do something about it. Well guys, the day has come once again, but this time I am not rebuilding the SR20 on Adams 240, but I am refreshing the engine to make sure it keeps working properly. Right now, the head gasket seems to be having a front cover leak. On the SR20, you have the block, you have a front cover, which is the oil pump, and then you have the head. So all those three components needs to be sealed together. The head gasket was installed without applying a thin film of silicone sealant on the front cover portion, and it's causing it to sweat a little bit of oil through the front cover, thus causing that big gunky black stuff all the front on the engine. So we need to get rid of that. The only way to get rid of that, I have to pull the head off and replace the head gasket, clean everything off, apply that little bit of silicone on there, put it back together, torque it to 65 foot-pounds, and it's good to go. So first thing we need to do with this engine is clean it, because it's a disaster right now. I can't work on a super dirty engine. So right now, Mr. Showman is off of the warehouse picking up the pressure washer. We're gonna pressure wash this engine before we can even touch it, because I don't wanna get my hands the same color as my shirt if I don't need to. On the meantime, I also appreciate that Showman did clean the engine bay already. It looks so much nicer than it last night. Last night when we pulled this engine, it was just all gunky and sandy everywhere. So it was a combination of sand and grease. It was just a disaster over here. Now you can actually see that everything's gold. And wait, there's a little bit of dust here, but that's okay. Showman, everything looked like this bolt right here. Wait, focus. Yeah, there you go. Everything looked like that bolt, like the dirty side of that bolt. Now it looks like this. So this is a lot more workable right now. We're probably gonna have to take Nicole's car out of the garage so I can have more room to work with, and I also don't want to like splash anything onto her beautiful car, so we'll probably just put it outside for now so we can have more room to work with. Guys, it's so much nicer working over here. It's like all nice and quiet. We got AC. We got the Swiss track, got the really nice countertops, got the awesome lighting everywhere, so the videos come out great. I really wish I could have a shop like this someday, or maybe at least a shop with these things on it. I don't know, but I gotta make it happen, because I don't think the videos at the house are coming out that good. It's like really uncomfortable filming over there. Also, there's always noise from the neighbors. At least over here, I have this really nice garage doors, which are insulated not only for sound but also keeps the heat out of the garage, so it's really nice. And he got an unlimited supply of tools here versus my toolbox over there. This is pretty much all I got right now, because I don't have anywhere to put any of my tools at right now. I need a shop so badly. I think what next thing I'm gonna be doing is looking for a shop. I need to find a shop to work at. I think I'm like really struggling having to work at the house. It's not cutting it at all. The videos don't come out right, the sound doesn't come out right. I don't feel comfortable doing those nice in detail videos that I do for you guys. So I think I really need to like do something about that, because it's not every day that I get to come over here to Adam's house to film. So I need to have my own place where I can replicate the same thing that we do here. Also, very importantly, I want to start vlogging other things. So I know it's very cool to vlog about doing how-tos on cars every day, but from my side it's very difficult. It's very hard to be able to install something different every single day of the year for you guys, especially if like we're multiple people doing the same things. You've probably already seen a video somewhere else. So I want to start doing regular vlogs on top of doing car videos. It doesn't mean I'm not gonna do car videos or anything. My main focus is car videos, but I also want to be able to do vlogs. Like for example, now that I have Maria, I want to start doing videos with her and getting her more involved in the channel, because she's my significant other. So I really need to have her on the videos with me. She's like really motivating me to like do so many things, and I think it'll be a really cool idea to share memories and do things with her, and especially make some awesome content for you guys. I think you guys will really appreciate that. So I'm definitely looking for ideas. I probably already said on yesterday's video. Comment below any ideas that you guys might have that you want to see us to do a vlog together. So anything super cool. please don't say doing makeup. Please don't say doing makeup. I know she loves doing makeup, but I don't think I can handle that. How am I supposed to put water? Probably fix my eye bags with makeup. I don't know. Maybe I should do a video with Maria fixing my eye bags with makeup. That would probably be really cool for the channel. Like, Miami, if I didn't have this, I'm like, all right, this is Alberto with no eye bags. Now I'm Chinese. Oh shit, I can see. I can't see. All right, bye. All right, so that. All right, so yes, I need to do some cool videos with Maria. I don't have time to do stuff with the cars every single day, especially this week. I'm gonna be working on Adam's house, rebuilding the SR20, but I don't know how many videos I'm gonna be able to do with that. And next week, I wanna make sure to have some cool content for you guys as well. I'm really serious this time. I am going to do anything to get back on a daily vlog life. I need to do it. Otherwise, the channel's gonna keep going down. I can't let my channel die. I can't believe I reached so much stuff because of you guys, and you guys make this happen. So I feel like if I don't do videos, I'm not letting myself down, but I'm letting you guys down too. So I can't have that happen. I really love you guys' support that you're giving me all this time, and it's the most awesome thing I ever had happen. So I want to be able to provide you guys with awesome content. That's why I like to listen to you guys, what you guys want to hear. I'm down to do a couple different videos, even if it's out of my comfort zone, but it's really amazing. Being a YouTuber is pretty much the coolest job I ever had in my life, other than building race cars. But I think being a YouTuber actually brings it to a whole different perspective and allows you to do so much in life. You get to travel, you get to meet cool people, you get to share experiences, you get to say hi to people everywhere. It's so cool. You guys have no idea how awesome it is. Every time I go down the road or something, somebody waves at me or whatever. It's like, oh cool, like, oh, that guy knows who I am. That's so awesome. Like, and even things like this makes you guys days. It's like, I don't mind doing that. It's not that I like all the attention or whatever, but at the end of the day, it feels really awesome to make somebody's day just by making a video about something they can relate to and stuff. So if there's anything you want to watch, like I said, comment below, put it out there. I'll probably do a live stream answering some of these questions as well. I should probably find a day of the week where I should do Q&As. That would be a really fun activity. But I already need to put this on a schedule, so I'm probably gonna be trying to upload every day between 5 and 6 p.m. I know yesterday's video came out a bit late because I'm here right now working, and then I have to go home to edit the video, so it's probably gonna take me till like 7 or 7:30 to get the video out. But this video and now on should be able to get up earlier. I should be able to get every other video earlier than this. I'm probably gonna try just to get on my schedule and edit in the morning, have the video ready for the afternoon, upload it no matter what I'm doing during the day. Versus before, I was always freaking out because I'm trying to film everything the same day, edit the same day, and upload the same day. It's like, it's really hard. I mean, it's cool because it's fresh, but it's also a lot of work. Oh my God, he's here.
I'm here.
You brought a pressure washer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, so we got a really dirty engine to clean today.
Oh yeah. Bunch of oil, bunch of gunk, bunch of dirt.
Wait, but first I need to get a little chocolate thingy.
Oh my God.
Man, this thing is even dirtier than I thought.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Look at this. It's just like dirty everywhere.
California desert, Texas, freaking articles everywhere.
Even this shifter, look at this.
It's horrible.
So much junk everywhere. Also, I discovered last night that the wastegate flange is cracked. Look at this.
Crap, it is. I didn't even know. What?
Yeah, it's all cracked all the way around.
Oh my gosh.
So it has it over there too, so I'm gonna have to take that off and re-weld it.
That's wild.
Probably reinforce it too. Now I'm taking apart the transmission. I'm taking off the transmission so I can put the engine on the engine stand. First, I like to loosen up all the bolts while it's still on the hoist. Remove all the lower ones, so then once I put it back in the floor, all I have to do is just remove the top bolts and it comes off. Now I'm going to remove the flywheel. I was just looking at the clutch and it looks like Adam's clutch has definitely seen better days. You can tell the ceramic parts even go all the way where the rivet should be. So it's pretty worn out. I also noticed the flywheel is not too badly burned, but it can be resurfaced. But the pressure plate has definitely seen better days. I got this really bad burnt parts here. And I even got like ceramic stuck in it. So yeah, Adam, you probably gonna need a new clutch for this. Again.
Pretty sure you got a new one for the Z-Trans. So.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, never mind, Adam, disregard.
That's going away. We got the new stuff coming, we're good.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a time lapse for you guys. I don't wanna bore you with the whole thing. You already pretty much seen how to take a SR20 a bunch of times. I'm just gonna do a cool time lapse taking everything apart. I'm just gonna remove the head so I can inspect the head gasket and then replace that, and yeah, so let's get going. Alright guys, the head is out. Now you can see the head gasket. The problem that we're having is that over here, you're supposed to put a little bit of silicone from this point all the way through over here to this other point. If you don't do that, it will cause the head gasket to leak oil to the front, which is what's happening right now. You can see there's no trace of any sealant over here, especially on this corner right here and this corner right here where the little fine line meets. You also need to have silicone there, but it's not on this case, so we need to like get a new head gasket and apply sealant, and it should be good as new. Check this out guys, the engine is looking really well. It's pretty healthy, other than just a leaky head gasket on the front. We got ourselves a really well working SR20. I did notice that the water lines are not holding up the heat. You can see they're all melting off. Same thing, this one over here that connects to the turbo, it's also pretty melted. Check out the damage on this line. It's all like almost gone. Good thing we took this apart. Now we can fix this too. Well guys, the time to get out of here is finally here. I'm done taking the engine apart. Now I have to go home and edit yesterday's video, so I'll be heading out of here. I hope you guys liked the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Showman, will I see you tomorrow too?
Of course.
Alright, Mr. Showman's over there. He's gonna keep helping me clean all this stuff.